everybody, and welcome to
Hey kids, let's draw, and today we're gonna draw a Christmas puppy.
What's a Christmas puppy?
It's a puppy what is celebrating Christmas.
So we're celebrating Christmas. We're really close to the holiday, and we wanted to do something fun, like a Christmas puppy. Christmas puppy with like a hat, maybe a Santa hat or something.
Or a reindeer hat.
Or a reindeer hat. Okay. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and
subscribe.
And let us know what else you'd like to see us draw on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Here we go with a Christmas puppy. Hello everybody, here we go with our Christmas puppies. We're gonna get our dark or black marker, find the pointed tip, and find the center of your page with your finger. Center of your page, and we'll do the eyes right here. So I'm gonna start. I'll do a circle, and then come over to the side and do the same size circle. 2 circles.
For the eyes.
For the eyes. And then on the inside of the eyes, do 2 large circles, and those will stay white. Now you can color whatever you want. You want to do, I'm going to do black around the top of the eye inside. And then I kind of want to do a little blue color. Is that okay?
Yeah. I want to do
You want to do blue?
color too.
So I'm going to get a baby blue. I'll hand it to Ava here in a minute. And I'm going to color the bottom.
Oh, on accident I colored the whole thing.
That's okay. Just do it black. Black's just fine. Okay. So the next, we're going to do a black nose. So right in between the eyes, right in the middle, make a dot, and we'll do a line coming down to a triangle.
I know how to make triangles.
And now I'm gonna color this nose in with my
Black.
dark marker. Good job. Now I'm going to put my lid on my dark marker for a second, and I'm gonna get a brown. Something like this. A brown, can you get your brown marker?
Yeah.
Put your lid on. Okay. So what we're gonna do now,
Are we doing the sharp part?
yep, the pointed end right here. We're gonna go arch like this.
A head.
This is gonna be the head. Okay? And now watch this. We're gonna do a bump and an ear goes
It's like a
out.
It's like a pyramid.
Stops. A bump and an ear goes out and stops. Kind of a weird shape, but those are the puppy ears.
Mine looks like a human ears, kind of.
Let's go up here. We're gonna go around the eye. Circle up. Round the eye and touch the head. Kind of a hard shape again.
I did it like this.
Okay, good job. All right. Do a circle all the way to the other ear. All right, let's put our lid on the brown for a minute. Should we grab let's grab our red marker,
Maybe.
and we're gonna do a hat.
Like Santa.
Kind of a Santa hat. So we can do little bumps.
And
Now this hat's gonna go up and over to the side. Here we go. Up and over to the side.
I like to do this.
Bring it down and
I like
into the
to
hat.
do this.
How cool is that? Here, I gotta put a ball on the end of my hat.
I like doing this. Makes it quicker.
Cool. Let's draw a tongue. Let's do a little tongue with our red. Since we have a red marker, here's a tongue. Do a line. Maybe we'll color that in pink in a minute. Now let's do a scarf. So under the chin, we're gonna do an arch. And a little tiny scarf. Perfect. I'm gonna put the lid on for now, on the red. Let's get the brown again. And we'll do some puppy legs. So come out, curve like that, curve around like straight across, round up for the puppy paws. Bring that leg up. Maybe we'll do a couple lines like 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? And over here we'll do
A tail.
bump, another puppy paw, 2 lines, a bump out, two lines up, and the belly. Now let's do a tail. Should we do a tail over here? Or over here? Let's do a tail coming out over here. Here's a little pointy tail wagging. All right, let's put the lid on and we'll do some waggy lines.
Wag.
What are waggy lines?
Like emotion.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That makes it look like the tail is doing what?
Wag.
Wagging, okay. All right, so now we're gonna fast forward. We might get our pink marker right here. I'll give you a pink. I'll show you what I do and then I'll hand it to you. I'm gonna color this tongue in with my pink marker. You wanna do that? Okay. We're gonna do a red hat, red scarf with green stripes like this. I'll get a green.
Done.
Good job. Maybe a green stripe here.
Fell.
Maybe a green stripe here.
I thought we were gonna fast forward.
I'll fast forward in a minute. We'll show the kids what we're doing and then we'll fast forward. And then another green stripe on the bottom. And then we'll color these parts red. Okay, so let's fast forward. Thank you for joining us on...
Hey kids, let's draw.
What did we draw today?
Puppy.
A puppy for Christmas, huh? Fast forward now.